Elaine Case, registered nurse and the director of nursing at RoseCrest Rehabilitation, is here to talk with us about the services and benefits they offer. Elaine, great to have you here this morning.
Thank you. I'm very happy to be here.
All right, let's talk about subacute rehabilitation. What is that?
It is the most exciting thing to happen to healthcare in a long time. With the shortened hospital stays, it's very difficult for older people who have suffered an injury, had a surgery, have a chronic condition, to go straight from the hospital to home.
Back home.
And so many people still think of it as a nursing home or long-term care, but we are not. We are subacute. We are there to be that bridge between the hospital and home. And so we provide a higher level of nursing care, more acute care than's ever been provided before, and the services needed for you to return home, which is what everyone wants.
So do we come to you or do you come to us?
You come to us.
Okay.
And the services there on our RoseCrest campus, we actually have all services. We have independent living, assisted, and skilled, but the subacute is the skilled level of nursing, and it's provided to make that bridge to offer the services that are needed to be able to return home.
Sure.
Because that's what everybody wants,
That's
right?
what
They
everybody
want to get in and
wants.
out and be back to
So
normal.
it could be a week, it could be, you know, a couple of months, maybe.
Yes, and most of our stays are between 2 weeks and usually not more than 2 months. And during that time, there are many services offered, whether it's diagnostic, laboratory x-rays, ultrasounds, pain management, medication management to get you back on that road to where you're stable to go home, and all of the therapies. We provide in-house speech therapy, occupational therapy, physical therapy, whatever it takes to get your stamina back, your strength back, your mobility back, so that you're safe to go home, join your community, resume your
get back to
normal.
living, right?
That's right. You want to be able to go to the grocery store when you get back home.
It's
so.
those little things sometimes you take for granted.
That's right.
Let's tell them where you are, because I know officially you're Inman, but yeah, you're not in Inman. You're on Highway 176 toward North Spartanburg,
Yes,
toward Inman. But it's a great place. I've been there.
It's a beautiful community. You've got the country right next door to the city.
Right.
So it's a great place to retire, to live, or to be there if you need health care services.
Sure. That's great.
Okay, who would be a good candidate for the subacute?
Anyone that has had a hospital stay or a surgery that just isn't quite strong enough to go home. So we could build that stamina, or who has a new diagnosis where they need the medication management, where they need the therapies. So any of those are good candidates to come to us and help us assist them home. And we have a whole interdisciplinary team then that works towards getting home. It's called Homeward Bound. They look at what services might be needed to keep you at home, whether it's a little bit of home health, outpatient therapy, whatever you might need to make you successful once you get home.
Will the doctor recommend that they go to you, or is it kind of up to them?
It's actually, that's an individual choice.
Okay, good.
So it's actually, but anybody who wants the best will come to the best.
I like that. If you want the bet, we're just saying, you know.
Can we come and get a little tour?
Certainly can, anytime.
Okay.
Weekends, during the week, and take time to walk our campus. We even have a fishing pond out back, so we have beautiful, beautiful homes and a beautiful healthcare center.
That's what Elaine was doing before the show. We had to jog her away from the fishing hole.
That's right.
Right? Come on, Elaine, come on inside. All right.
Spring is sprung.
Sent you to Greenville.
RoseCrest.org is where you can go. The number is 599-8600. Thank you, Elaine, for coming on and telling us about
Thank
your
you. I
services.
appreciate it.
Tell them
Good
hi.
stuff.
This is Women's History Month. Did you know that?
Yeah.
At least at the Greenville County Library. Deneen Shatsley, former stand-up comic, will be here in a moment to tell us all about it.